Good morning, student. Today we will discuss fitting of a straight line, fitting of a straight line, straight line y is equal to ax plus b. Y is equal to ax plus b. Okay. Then first we have to write the normal equation of straight line equation. We have to write the normal straight line equation. According to VTU syllabus, you are not having the proof. Okay, we are using only formulas. Okay, then we are writing the normal equation. Normal equations. Normal equations for fitting the straight line. Fitting the straight line. Okay, y is equal to ax plus b. Then we have to write the formula here. Write the formula. A summation of x square plus b summation of x is equal to summation of xy, and a summation of x plus nb is equal to summation of y. Summation of y. Okay, using this formula we are going to solve the problems. We are going to solve the problems. Okay, take down the problem. With a straight line, with a straight line, y is equal to ax plus b for the following data. For the following data. Okay. Then write the data here. X, y, 1, 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 6, 4, 8, 5, 9, 7, 11, 8, 14, 9. Okay. This question is appeared in June 2019. Okay, June 2019. Write the question properly. X 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14. Y 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Okay, write down. Okay, then first to write the formula. Okay, the normal equation form, write down. The normal equation for fitting the straight line, y is equal to ax plus b. Y is equal to ax plus b. Okay, write down here. Summation of y is equal to a into summation of x plus nb, and summation of xy is equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. Okay, write the formula first. Then we have to identify the what we need to find. We have to identify. Okay, here n, we have to identify the n value. N, how many elements are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here 8 columns are present. Okay, numbers are present, means n is equal to 8. Then next to what we need to find? Summation of y we need to find, summation of x we need to find, and also summation of xy we need to find. Okay, and summation of x square also we need to find. Okay, then write the table here, x, y. Okay, x value write down here, 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14. Okay, y is 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then find out the summation of x. Use the calculator, find out the summation of x. Okay, find out 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 11 plus 14. Okay, using the calculator, add and tell me the answer. Okay. Okay, summation of x is equal to 56 here. Summation of x is equal to 56. Similarly, find out summation of y. Similarly, find out summation of y. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 40. Summation of y is equal to 40. Then find out x, y. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 2 is 6. 4 into 4 is 16. 6 into 4 is 10. 8 5s are 40. 6 into 4 is 24. Okay, 8 5s are 40. Then 9 7s are 63. 11 8s are 88. 49 into 126. Okay. Then summation of x, y. Add it. Okay, 1 plus 6, 7, 7. 1 plus 6 plus 16 plus 24 plus 40 plus 63 plus 88 plus 126. Okay, what we are getting here? Summation of xy is equal to 364. Summation of xy is equal to 364. Similarly, find out x square here. Okay, 1 is 1, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 11 square is 121, 14 square is 196. 196 means summation of x square. Summation of x square is what here? 1 plus 9 plus 16 plus 36 plus 64 plus 81 plus 121 plus 196 is 524. 524. Okay, then write down this one. I will give 5 minutes time. Write down. Okay, completed. Then take the again normal equation. Take your normal equation is what here? observe your normal equation, summation of y is equal to a into summation of x plus nb. Okay, then one more is summation of xy is equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. Okay, then summation of y is what here? Summation of y is 40 and a into summation of x is 56. Okay, then n is 8. B we need to find. Okay, understood? A and B we need to find. Summation of xy is 364 and a, and summation of x square is y 24 plus b into summation of x is 56. Okay, then we can be written as this one is 56a plus 8b is equal to 40. 524a plus 56b is equal to 364. Then use the calculator. Okay, use the calculator and find out and tell me the answer. Use the calculator, find out and tell me the answer. Okay, then what is the A value? Here A value is here 0.6363. Okay, and the B value is here 0.54. B value is here 0.5454. Okay, here A value is here. A is equal to 0.64 and B value is 0.55. Okay, then take the straight line equation. Y is equal to ax plus b. Okay, y is equal to ax plus b. Y is equal to a value is 0.64x and b value is here 0.55. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay, this is exam point of view. This is 6 mark question. Okay, one question compulsory in your exam. One question is compulsory for your in exam. Okay, then we will go to, we will start one more problem. We will solve one more problem. Okay. Second one. Okay, take down this problem. It is straight line. So find the equation of best fitting. Find the equation of the best fitting. Best fitting straight line for the following data, and then estimate the value of the dependent variable corresponding to the curve value 30 of the independent variable. Okay, then x, y, 5, 16, 10, 19, 15, 23, 20, 26, 25 and 30. Okay. Then find the equation of the best fitting straight line for the following data, and then estimate the value of dependent variable corresponding the value of 30 of the independent variable. Okay, observe here y is equal to ax plus b. Okay, here independent variable are given. Okay, independent variable is 30 is given. We need to find the dependent variable and take the equation y is equal to ax plus b. Here x is independent value, okay, but y is dependent. Okay. Then first to write the straight line y is equal to ax plus b. Okay, write the normal equation form. Summation of y is equal to a into summation of x plus nb. Then summation of xy is equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. N is equal to, okay, here n is number of elements present in the table. Okay, how many elements are present in the table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 5. Okay, n is equal to 5. Then summation of y. Okay, then we need to find, observe the formula. We need to find the summation of y and also summation of x and x summation of xy, and also we need to find the summation of x square. Okay, that's why we have to construct the table. Then, okay, construct the table here. First write down x, y. First write down the x value 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Similarly, write down y value 16, 19, 23, 26 and 30. Okay. Then use the calculator, find out the summation x. 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 20 is 50, 50 plus 25 is 75. Summation of x is equal to 75. Okay. Then summation of y, 16 plus 19, 19 plus 23, 23 plus 26 plus 20 plus 30. Okay, add it, and summation of y is equal to 104. Then xy. Okay, xy, 16 5s are 80, 19 10s are 190, 23 into 5 is 345. Okay, 26 into 20 is 520, 25 into 30 is 750. Then summation of xy. Use the calculator and add it and tell me the answer. Okay. Add it and tell me the answer. 80 plus 180 plus 345 plus 520 plus 750 is 1885. Summation x square is 5 square is 25. 10 is 100. 15 square is 225. 20 square is 400. 25 is 625. Okay, summation of x square is equal to 1375. 1375. Okay, 125 plus 100 plus 225 plus 400 and plus 625 is 1375. Then write the normal form. Summation of y is equal to a into summation of x plus nb. Then summation of xy is equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. Okay, here n value is what? Here n value is 5. Okay, then summation of y, just we found summation of y is 75. Then a into summation of x is 75. Okay, plus n is 5. Then b is write down as it is. Summation of xy is 1885. A. Summation of x square is 1375. Plus b is write down as it is. Summation of x is 75. Summation of x is 85. Then rearrange it. Rearrange 75a plus 5b is equal to 75. Okay, got it? Then next row 1375a plus 75b is equal to 1885. Okay. Then simplify. Use the calculator, simplify. Here a is equal to 0.7 and b is equal to 12.3. Okay, means y is equal to ax plus b. Y is equal to a value is 0.7x plus b value is 12.3. 12.3. Okay, now y is equal to 0.7x plus 12.3. Then what we need to find? We need to find dependent variable. Okay, your independent variable is given here. Observe the problem. Independent variable is dependent variable corresponding to the 30 of independent variable. Okay, your x value is given. Means independent value is given. X is equal to 30. Means y is equal to 0.7 into x plus 12.3 plus 12.3. Then simplify 0.7 into 30 plus 12.3. Then what we are getting? Simplify and tell me the answer. Okay, your answer is 33.3. 33.3. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 33.3. Okay, got